Hey, it's Lake. Welcome back. If you have trouble maintaining moisture in your skin, or you just want to use a more natural moisturizer than what's in stores, then today's DIY will be able to help you with that. All you need is some shea butter for that deep moisturization, some cocoa butter to help with scarring, and some mango butter to help with acne as well. Now you will need to melt down the cocoa butter because it's more hard than the other butters, so you just want to let that melt on a double boiler method for about 10 minutes, and you want to make sure that the heat is really low so that you don't remove too much of the benefits from the cocoa butter. Then you're gonna let that cool for about 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge, and once it's cool you could just go ahead and add your mango butter and your shea butter so we could start the process of whipping. Now you could definitely change the ingredients to your skin needs. So you see how I have a cup of cocoa butter for scarring. If you need more moisturization, you could go with a fourth a cup of shea butter and then just an eighth a cup of the cocoa butter and the mango butter. Now if you're more prone to acne, then you could do that as well. So a fourth a cup of mango butter and then an eighth a cup of the cocoa butter and the shea butter. It's really up to you and exactly what you need for your skin, but this is just a guide for you to follow to make a nice body butter. So I whipped mine for about 5 minutes until it was, a good consistency. Then I added a tablespoon of coconut oil as my carrier oil, and then about 10 drops of some essential oils. You can definitely choose which essential oils is best for you. You also want to make sure you add your vitamin E oil to preserve this body butter. So I added 2 capsules and then I went ahead and began to whip that up some more again, just for like an additional 2 minutes. I whipped it up and then it came out very super smooth. Now that we're done whipping, we could go ahead and get ready to put this in the container. Now I like to use things on hand and I wanted to get out creative or whatever, so I tried to pipe it into this container with a plastic bag, but you can honestly just scoop it into the container. This step really doesn't matter, just as long as you get it into the container and it's nice where you could store it, then all is well. So now I'm just kind of making it look a little neat and presentable for you guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you hit the like button and also make sure that you're subscribed so you can see more natural skincare DIYs that I do on the channel. You can also follow me on social media because I have more quick tutorials on my Instagram and on my Pinterest. Now you guys, this is a very moisturizing body butter. I use it every day. I put it on my little pregnant belly to avoid any stretch marks, or just to keep it moisturized. Let me know what you think of this DIY. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a beautiful, prosperous, and successful day.